Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Londa, I'm the Crazy Vegan. Today I'm going to show you how to make a refrigerator cheesy potato soup for weight loss. What we're doing today is we're grabbing just a few things that we have on hand, throwing it together and calling it a soup. As this is for weight loss, I've used it to lose about 8 pounds, along with a breakfast that I posted Monday. So check that out. I'll link that to the video so you can see it. Anyway, let's get started and enjoy the video. Boil 1 large russet potato. While it's boiling, add 1 small red and 1 small white onion. Of course, you can use any onion you want. That's just what I used. This is refrigerator potato cheese soup. So we're using what we have, which is the point as it being a refrigerator potato soup. You're going to cook the potatoes until they start to get soft. You're letting the onions flavor the water a little bit. That's why you put them in then. Then we're going to add a large amount of broccoli. You can actually use any vegetables that you want, but we're using broccoli. It is the best for potato cheese soup. You don't really have to worry about the size as long as it cooks, because we're going to blend it with an immersion blender. Of course, if you don't have an immersion blender, you can use a regular blender. Just be very careful so you don't burn yourself because it gets really hot. You're going to let that cook a little bit until the potatoes are soft and the broccoli is soft. And then we're going to start adding seasoning. While it's cooking, we're going to start adding some seasonings. I don't measure, I just sort of dump. Right now we're using garlic powder, onion powder, ground coriander, after it's done cooking, we're going to add a little bit of pepper. This is salt-free. Of course, you can add salt if you eat salt, but this is a weight loss soup also, so we're doing no oil, no sugar, no salt. But we're going to do our best to flavor it. We're just going to let that simmer for a little bit. Okay, now that the potatoes are soft, we're going to add a little bit of broth. You can use vegetable broth. I'm using organic miso broth for the probiotic in it. You add however much you can for taste. That's about 2 cups. It's about half my container, and my container is a 4-cup container. Let that heat up just a little bit. And then we're going to turn off the heat and start the immersion blender. Add some nutritional yeast. We're going to put a lot because we want it to be cheesy. Then we're going to gonna blend. There you go. You've got a weight loss potato soup. I didn't blend it completely. I wanted some chunks in there. Great for the holidays. Great for weight loss. Great for this cold season that's coming up. Serve with crackers, sourdough bread, anything you like. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to follow my weight loss journey, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you can get future notifications of more videos. Thank you for watching.